for apple. Apple. B for ball. Ball. C for cat. Cat. D for dog. Dog. E for elephant. Elephant. F for frog. Frog. G for grapes. Grapes.
Now I know my ABC.
H for horse. Horse. I for ice cream. Ice cream. J for jug.
A, B, C, D,
Jug.
H, I, J, K, L, M,
K for kite.
U, V, W,
Kite.
Y, and Z. Now I know
L for lion.
you sing with me.
Lion. M for mango.
A, B, C, D,
Mango.
H, I, J, K, L,
N for nest.
T, U, V,
Nest.
X, Y, and Z. Now I know
O for owl.
why won't you sing?
Owl. P for potato. Potato. Q for queen. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. S for sheep. Sheep.
A, B, C, D,
T for tomato.
L, M, N, O, P,
Tomato.
R, S, T, U, V,
U for umbrella.
Now I know
Umbrella.
C's. Next time won't you sing with
V for vegetables.
A, B, C, D,
Vegetables.
H, I, J,
W for watermelon.
T, U, V,
Watermelon.
Y, and Z. I know
X for xylophone.
next time won't you
Xylophone. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra.
Please like, share, and subscribe.